Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create 2D pie chart in Microsoft Excel. So get it started. At first, you open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the Excel document is the formula data. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click on the chart option. Now click on the 2D pie chart option. Now for OK. Then chart formula. Now click for the plus icon option. Now click on data labels option. Then choose color. Then chart style. Then choose color. It's okay. Then I show the carrot to the pie chart in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.